This man pulled over on the side of the road to save a kitten. He picks up the kitten, thinking that someone left it there, and he's going to bring it home. But suddenly, he is ambushed by a whole another group of kittens, all coming from the same litter of kittens. They're all following each other, looking for a home. He said that he can't take all of them home, but he plans to call shelter soon after to take care of them. He thought he was saving just one life, but it turns out he's saving about 20. How cute! Like and subscribe for more.